What's up, guys? Today is Jasenia's birthday.
28 years old.
28 years old. So we're gonna make a little video. We're gonna keep it short, but we are gonna recognize it on YouTube. And then Layla has something to say, and if the camera's moving,
he's about to take me to the diamond store.
We're about to take her to a Cuban restaurant. Because we eat Mexican food all.
Gentlemen's Club.
We eat Mexican food all the time. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna record a little video. Hope you enjoy it. Should be good. If it's not good, let me know in the comments, and leave a dislike if it's no good. But leave a like if it's good.
Like Layla says.
But yeah, Sophia's gonna take over from here.
Where is Ronnie taking us?
I love her. She's the best, and I just love her. She does anything I want, and me all the time.
And you?
I can give my Bobby a birthday present. It's Mommy's birthday, not hers. I did anything.
Sorry, we're on a really bumpy road, so forgive all that. Okay, see ya.
I have a headache right now because
So you haven't had a soda in how long?
I haven't had a soda in 5 days. But the way I feel right now, like we have a day planned ahead of us, I don't want to have a headache today. So I think I'm going to give in and have a Dr. Pepper today. But it's a Cuban restaurant and they never have Dr. Pepper. So I'm probably going to have to drink a Coke and then get dehydrated.
I saw you with your four-wheeler. You're really good. And now, could you teach somebody like me, or will I crash?
No. You crash in the cow.
Oh no! I'll crash into the cow, and then they go. Wow, that would not be fun. Really? You said how? Wow, do you go with your sister in the Polaris too?
No.
Really?
It's too little for mine.
I know, you got the big Polaris.
It's a small.
It's small. I'm scared of it still. You sure I can ride it?
You need a bigger one. Just like Brayden.
But what if I'm scared of the bigger one?
Chicken
Ooh, chocolate milk's good.
That chicken's not burned.
Sometimes. I like it.
You like it?
You like? Wow. Can you cook chicken better? No.
When I was little, I used to have a trampoline.
She likes chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk too.
I love chocolate milk. She's a chocolate milk fanatic.
Is she? I like it too. You like it?
I used to have a trampoline, but it flied away.
No.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy.
So Sophia made me a really cute video with my mom, and my mom sent it to me this morning, and I bawled like a baby. Right, babe?
Yep.
I literally cried. And we're gonna play it right here so you can see it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you. She does everything for me and I love her. And in the picture, you can see I gave her roses and there's a thing on it. And I even gave my sister a little balloon. And Mommy does everything for me. And in that picture, you can see she bought me a dog. And I just love her and she gives me everything I want. And love you, Mommy. Hopefully you have a good birthday.
Really good lunch. The girls, they really connected with Ronnie a lot. They, I don't know.
I feel like they behaved a lot better this time than the first time.
They did. Ronnie had they really connected with Ronnie a lot. It was pretty cool. Sophia wants me to show you guys this.
So we went to Ronnie's house today, and he gave them these, what are they called, like autograph cards?
Yep.
So Sophia got her own. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I can't see with my reflection, but
it's an autograph card.
Sophia got her own, and
it's the back of it.
Yeah.
Tune in.
So everybody watching, tune in on Tuesdays. CBS Sports, A Fishing Story with Ronnie Green.
Correct. So yeah, it was a great lunch, and my girls had a good time. It was really cool to see them connect with Ronnie. It was cool. And it seemed like he had a great time too.
Yep, it was a good time. Good food too.
Yeah, very good food. Great Cuban food.
I wish we would have got the name of it. We didn't even get the name of the restaurant.
We could just call him.
Ronnie recommended it, and it was really
There you go. We're gonna go to Bass Pro. You should see a little footage there. And then after that, we're gonna close out this whole video because I don't want to keep it long. Well, we might go to Target, but I don't think I'm bringing the camera in Target. We're probably gonna go to Target, but there's gonna be no footage of that. All right, Bass Pro.
Yeah, where's the fish?
Oh, look, blue, my favorite color. It's my favorite color.
What's your favorite color?
It's very white and green. Look.
Ronnie Green? Where's Ronnie Green? Let's go look at the fishes.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
They're so swimming. Look. That's what's in my hand. Daddy, this hand smells weird.
Yeah, it smells like saltwater fish.
Daddy, guess what? That hand sanitizer we used smells weird. What's that kind of fish? What's that kind of big fish? Huh?
I don't know.
Daddy, what's that big fish?
See that again?
That small fish is right there.
Like the fishies?
Yeah. What was that dog?
So cool.
Daddy, what was that dog?
Oh, the water.
It's up there. It's not closed.
From the
open.
waterfall up there.
I wanted to show this part because they're either Bass Pro, they're either hiding all the guns because the looting and stuff that's going on at the time, or they sold all out because the pandemic that's going on and the world's going crazy. I will say this, when we were at Bass Pro, there was a very long line. There was like 30 people waiting in line to purchase guns while we were there. They got it with the ladders. What'd you say? What does that mean?
How it down?
Huh?
How big it down?
No.
Yes! 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 Got that beaver. Let's take that beaver. Alright.
You gotta put them all in.
Get it, girl. Where you going?
Layla, where are you going?
I said, where's the key?
How old do you gotta be?
Look, it's for look.
12 and under, yep. You gotta be 12 years old. So Bass Pro was pretty fun.
Blast. The girls really like the fish. So her Layla did. She loved the fish.
There's almost so much stuff to like look at and really want in Bass Pro.
There is. I went to go get a magazine for my gun, but they didn't have it. They're sold out. There was a long line of people trying to purchase weapons. You didn't find anything that you wanted.
No, I was gonna get a pepper spray and mace because I started walking now either sometimes early mornings or in the afternoons, and the sunrise is not until what 6:30 in the morning.
6:30. Yeah.
And sometimes I'm trying to aim to go 6:12 in the morning, but I don't know. We didn't. I didn't want to just buy just that, so I didn't even.
And the lines were long everywhere. So. But it was fun. What I thought was cool was Layla thought the fish was so amazing. And then, yeah, she was not the best kid in the world, but she had a ball there. They actually played this game that they have. I think, yeah, there's fun to that. Connect Four, but they weren't playing it right. They had a blast though. It was fun.
So we ended up going to Target.
We did.
Target was a lot of fun. I was going in there to see what I can find for myself, and the girls ended up buying baby dolls and toys.
The girls ended up buying $70 worth of toys. But I mean, it's not like it's their fault. We let them do it. But
well, not
we
only
haven't
that,
took them to Target.
We haven't
2
took them
months
out
anywhere.
period.
That's
Yeah,
the first
we're
time they've ever been out. And don't worry, every time they touched anything, I had hand
yes.
sanitizer. I had hand. This is a hand sanitizer. But this is the one that I use inside a Target. Hand sanitizer. So don't worry about that. But I didn't touch her face. I was real cautious.
Yes, but we went to Starbucks before we left, and I got me. They didn't have at this Target. They didn't have too much to choose from. I wanted something like a cold cup, like a tumbler, and the cups that I did like, they were for hot drinks, and I really don't care for hot drinks like that. So I got me a new Starbucks cup.
Yep. Happy birthday.
Thanks, babe. This is 24 ounce. So I have one, but it's like I would say like a 16 ounce if they have a 16 ounce. It's a lot smaller, but this one's 24. So I guess you could say I got this for my birthday. I want to talk about what y'all will be seeing in this video. I don't know if we've already announced it or not, but you guys
No, we didn't. No.
You guys will see in this video that
It might have been the first thing that you've seen. Depends on how I edit. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
So the girls, Sophia recorded a little birthday message for me with my mom, and I had no idea. What's crazy is, for Mother's Day, we made a video. It was my idea to make a video for Michael's mom, my mother-in-law, of all her kids, all of us saying something special about her, what she means to us, and how much we love her for Mother's Day. And Michael was able to put that together, and it was just so neat. It was a beautiful video. Anyways, so I guess my mom, same idea she did with Sophia, not with Layla, just with Sophia. I had no idea. So my mom sent me this video early in the morning, but I didn't get to see it just because we woke up late and we were kind of rushing, trying to get out the door. I finally got, like, probably an hour and a half or two later, I watched the video and I bawled my eyes out because I don't know if every mom thinks this way, but I do. Sometimes I feel like I'm not the best mom, and I don't know, that video and what Sophia says really, how can I say it, like, assures that I am a good mom.
Right, you are.
It answers my questions. So that was like the best gift.
Yeah, it was. It was a very good video.
Sometimes you don't always
Pretty
have
cool.
to get gifts or go shopping or whatnot to make it like your best birthdays. It's just sometimes simple words mean a lot, and that to me was the best birthday present ever. Spending the day with them was awesome. You can't, like, gifts are always going to be there. You can always go shopping. I guess, like, retail stores aren't ever going to go anywhere. Your family and your memories that you make with your family will.
Yeah, that's true.
So I'm, like I said, thankful that I'm able to spend a day with them today and not have to, worry about work or whatnot. And it sounds selfish, but I don't know. I've been working since I was 16 years old. Not because I had to, but because I wanted to. And I've just been at it ever since. I've always had a full-time job. Never had a part-time job. It was always full-time. And, when I was 16, I was still in school, but still I worked a lot for normal 16-year-olds. So I'm excited. And I think if you have the privilege to be able to stay home with your kids, you should take advantage of it, because your kids are not going to always stay small.
Right. And if you're a female watching this video, don't be afraid to let your husband take care of you. That's a big thing that a lot of females or women,
just people in America nowadays.
Yeah, they want to be so independent. But let your husband take care of you. And it's about to start raining, so the audio is going to get really bad. But go ahead and continue. You can close out this video if you want.
No, I mean, that's it. It's okay to have to depend on your husband or your loved ones, depending on what your situation is. It's okay to have to depend on your loved ones.
I agree.
There's nothing wrong with it. Sometimes you have to not listen to your family or your friends, and when it comes to advice like that, you just do what's best for your family, what's best for your well-being, because that, like, I was to the point where I was very stressed out for no reason. So sometimes you just have to do what's best for yourself. And for our situation, it was best for me to just stay home. It's always great to make great, extra money and to save for your future, but your well-being, your sanity, the way you treat your kids, I promise you is worth way more than an extra paycheck.
Agreed.
In my opinion. Yeah. So it's been a good day.
Yeah, very good day. So with saying that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, all that cool stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Yeah, the like button and the subscribe button.
And hit the bell.
Oh yeah, the bell.
To get your notifications.
Yeah. So see you in the next video. Thanks.